Open with a shot of a person at a computer working on a 2D design. The camera then zooms out to show the entire workspace. Voiceover: designing has never been easier. With AutoCAD, you can create 2D and 3D designs with precision and speed. Cut to a close-up of the person at the computer. Voiceover: AutoCAD is a powerful software that lets you create professional quality designs for a wide range of industries, including architecture, engineering, and construction. Cut to a shot of a building being constructed. Voiceover: whether you're designing a new building, creating a machine part, or developing a product, AutoCAD can help you turn your ideas into reality. Cut back to the computer screen. Voiceover: with AutoCAD's user-friendly interface, you can easily create and modify 2D and 3D designs using a variety of tools, including lines, circles, arcs, and more. Cut to a shot of someone using a stylus pen to draw on a tablet. Voiceover: you can even use a stylus pen and tablet to draw freehand sketches and import them directly into your drawings. Cut back to the computer screen. Voiceover: and with AutoCAD's collaboration tools, you can share your designs with colleagues and clients in real time, making it easier than ever to work together on projects. Cut to a shot of people working together on a design. Voiceover: so whether you're working on a small project or a large-scale construction, AutoCAD has everything you need to create high-quality designs and bring your ideas to life. And with a shot of the AutoCAD logo and a call to action to download the software. Voiceover: download AutoCAD today and start designing your future.